Hey, happy Easter, guys. How are you? I've been carving away. You can see there's all these clippings and shit all over the floor. I gotta get the vacuum out and shit. I've been like, where are you off to? What's wrong with you? Well, anyway, let's have a look at this. So I've got the building done, so that can go in there like that. So it's not done. It's primed. So I'm just sort of paving it in, as you can see there. And then we've got the brick wall I built. That will go something like that. I'm putting in some wooden flooring as well. So yeah, that'll be pretty cute. So that'll go like that. So that'll nicely fit in like that, like so. And then the whole lot will be paved in so that brick wall can fit in. And then you'll have the other side with wooden flooring. So that's how it's coming along. And I've been up all night working on it. It's really hard, but it's so rewarding. I love it. So this is my masterpiece at the moment. Pretty cool, isn't it? So this is the next part we'll do. So once we get this all finished up here, we'll get onto this. Now, I was thinking about a graveyard, but now I'm thinking something different. I'd like to try and make a staircase into a ruined building. So we'll see what happens with that. Yeah, so, and we've got my captives, so I reckon they'll be going along the pathway. I'll have the artillery horse-drawn coming up here. I'll have some guys pushing a Zis-3 cannon around up here with some, you know, all this kind of shit on the ground. I'll have some commanding officers talking to another guy. We'll have a few dead bodies lying around, so I'm going to try and make some dead bodies out of the old Tamiya. You know how I got that kit when I first started doing it, the 88mm by Tamiya, the old one, and it's got heaps of crappy figures in it, so I might turn them into dead bodies. So we'll see what happens there. So we'll have dead bodies, we'll have debris, we'll have all kinds of crazy shit going on. It'll be cool. Alright guys, I gotta go, because I gotta go see my family. Yay. Alright, I'll see you again soon. And hopefully Elsie cheers up a bit. I don't know what her problem is. Probably because I'm going and she knows that she has to be alone for the night. Alright, I'll see you later.